Hey guys, this is Jeet, and today I want to show you my new software, Channel Authority Jeet. It's a very amazing new product which will tell you exactly how to build authority channels on YouTube. So let's get started. When you start the software, you'll see the create or open a campaign screen where you can start a new campaign for your projects, or you can go with an existing campaign that you worked on earlier. Now in this video, I will be working with an existing campaign that I set up earlier. So let's just go with it. And I will quickly demonstrate to you all the features that this software has, which will help you build authority channels. So let's get started with that. Alright, so this is the home screen for Channel Authority Builder. On this, you can see a number of options. So it's like a huge multi-featured software, multiple software in one. The first feature is keywords. It's a keyword rank monitor that will let you monitor the rankings of any keyword for any keyword and any YouTube video. For example, if I click on it now, I can see that I've got a couple of videos already set in, and I can also see the places where I'm ranking on YouTube for these keywords. So for this keyword 5 little monkeys singing in a tree, I'm ranking on the spot number 1, and for another keyword ding dong bell, I'm ranking on spot 8. And here you will see the changes. If your ranking goes up or goes down, you will see this notified, and it will all be color coded. So if it's a positive change, you'll see it in green. If it's a negative change, you will see it in red. And not only in that, if you click on this button, no change over here, you can actually see the rankings change over time. So as you can see, there's a simple bar graph, and as you can see, I started with ranking around 10, and then it was 12, and then it dropped to 8. So you can see how the rankings move, how you rank better or worse over a period of time. And you can do this not only for yourself but also for your competition, and the data will be reflected appropriately. Moving on, the next feature that I want to show you is videos watch. Now click on this button and you will be able to monitor any video on YouTube with this on a daily basis. So if I just put in a video URL using this button, I can put in any video URL, and once I add it, it will be listed like this, and I will get to see on a daily basis how this video is doing. So I'll get stats like total views, today's views, the total number of likes, the total number of dislikes, and the comments that this video has got today, and of course the total number too. And if I click on it, I will get to see the daily movement in a nice table. I can see exactly how the video did on each day. So as you can see, I can see that on some days the video did 50,000, on another day it did 200,000, or whatever the number is according to the that day. And I can see the movement across all those days. Not only that, it's got something really interesting. There's something called unusual changes in traffic. So if due to some reason there is any a big jump in video stats, if there is a big raise or there's a big fall, Channel Authority Builder will tell you that there is an unusual change in traffic and it requires your attention. And this way you will be able to identify and find out what are the real videos that you need to pay attention to on YouTube that are competing with you or that are in your niche, and you'll be able to understand how to gear your own your content design to match those match the trends or match what the market wants, and also to capitalize on the authority of other videos and rank your videos better and get more traffic from your own videos through the suggested sidebar, which is of course the most important trick that we do to get those massive traffic views, get those massive views on YouTube. The next feature I have is channel statistics, and it behaves just like video watch. You'll be able to see what are the latest traffic trends, and again, if you click on the views, it will show you the comprehensive details for every day that you've been watching this channel. You will get to see the total number of views, the total number of growth in views every day, the total number of subscribers, and the change, so that you can actually find out who the most popular channels are in your niche and who you want to target with your optimization to get the best results, to get the best amount of traffic from YouTube. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. The next we have is latest videos. Now this is an interesting feature. What this will do is it will go to all the channels in your niche, and it will collect the latest videos from those channels and show you. So you will know what are other people creating, and if you see there's anything interesting that you want to capitalize on, or if you want to appear on the sidebar for, you can target it. You can use the optimization techniques that I talk about in my training, things like titles, descriptions, and tags, to target this video and get traffic direct from this video. So that's a technique I do very often, that I use very often in my own videos, in my own channels, and you can do it very easily through this particular this particular feature, which lets you get the latest videos from all the channels that you're watching in one place. If you click on the link over here, the video will open up in your web browser, and if you want, you can also click on the channel name and the channel home will open up in the web browser, so that you can see how exactly they are gearing your content, how exactly they are structuring the content on their own channels. Moving on to the next feature, it's very interesting. It's called the sidebar. Now this feature lets you monitor the sidebar for any video on YouTube and target it to find out if you are appearing on the sidebar or if any competition video is appearing on the sidebar, and also to monitor how it's changing. So I use this technique to monitor the sidebar of videos in my niche and to discover fresh videos that are coming up on the sidebar, and then I can target those by my optimization and get traffic from YouTube. So you will see whether you're ranking on the sidebar right now or not, and what is the current rank, and you will also see how many videos changed on the sidebar, what are the new videos that have come in, and that information is very useful for you if you're targeting suggested videos on YouTube's sidebars. The next feature is related channels, and this is a way to discover all the channels that are in your niche, no matter what niche you are in. All you need to do is put in one channel from the niche that you're targeting and click on search. You can also enter the number of channels you want to find. So for our demonstration purpose, let's just try to find 10 channels from this niche and click on search button over here, and it's searching right now. This might take a couple of seconds while it searches. So I targeted a channel in the toys niche, and I can see that I've got 10 channels from the toys niche, which are leading channels, which are popular channels. And if I want to start my optimization, if I want to start my targeting, I can start off with those. And of course, there's nothing to stop you from filling 20 in this place, or 30 or 40 or 50, or however many channels you want to get from your niche, and you will get those. The only thing is it will take just some more time to find those results. Alright, so moving on to the next. The next feature we have is trending tags, and it's a great way to find what topics are people targeting on your in your niche right now, what topics are people building videos for, and you will see all those features over here, all those topics over here, and you can find what you need to do. For example, right now it's the Halloween season, and a lot of people are making videos on Halloween. So it's, now that if you're making a kids channel, if you got a kids channel, it's time to make a Halloween themed video, and you will get more views on that. So here, this is a great way to get content ideas so that you can create content targeting what is hot right now, and you can also rank on the sidebar of the videos that are freshly being created targeting that topic. And here's a button over here which lets you ignore any tag. So if you want to ignore a tag, if you don't want it displayed in the hot list now or in the future, you can click this button and it will go away. Now this is a great way to filter out common tags which might be existing for your niche, for almost every video, and you can filter those out and only get the hottest trends using this feature. Alright, moving on to the next feature, we've got the latest popular video, and this is a technique that I use very often to identify what videos are really hot right now across the channels in my niche. So I can select the number of days that I want to get the hot videos for. So if I want to check out which video is hot in the last 7 days, I can click 7 days and click the search button, and it will give me a list of all the videos which has got a lot of traffic, which has got a lot of interest in the last 7 days. And I can see the stats, things like the publishing date, number of views it got, the number of likes and dislikes, which will tell me what videos are really the rage right now and what I need to do to target the right content to get views and traffic from those videos. So this is Channel Authority Builder in a very quick nutshell. There are a lot of interesting features that you can use to target and optimize your videos correctly, to get traffic from other videos on YouTube through the suggested bar, through YouTube's content discovery mechanism, so that you can actually unlock those 75 to 80% views that you are losing right now by only targeting keywords. And of course, in the training, we